So you're staring at your phone, that little pending symbol on your Uphold transaction mocking you. You're wondering, where's my money? Did it vanish into the digital ether? Did I mess something up? You're not alone. I've been there, we've all been there. That agonizing wait for a transaction to clear can feel like an eternity, especially when you need those funds ASAP. Let's cut through the confusion. You've sent crypto or fiat through Uphold, and it's stuck in limbo. You're probably picturing a slow-moving digital snail carrying your hard-earned cash. But the reality is a bit more nuanced. First off, there's no single, definitive answer. The time it takes for an Uphold transaction to clear depends on a whole bunch of factors. We're talking about the type of transaction, the network congestion, the asset involved, and even Uphold's internal processing times. For crypto transactions, network congestion is a major culprit. Think of it like rush hour traffic, but for digital data. When a lot of people are trying to move crypto at the same time, the blockchain gets clogged, and transactions take longer to confirm. Bitcoin, for example, can experience significant delays during peak times. Ethereum, with its fluctuating gas fees, adds another layer of complexity. If you're dealing with fiat currency, like transferring USD or Euro, you're dealing with traditional banking systems. These systems have their own set of rules and processing times. Bank holidays, weekends, and even international transfers can add significant delays. Uphold, like any financial platform, has to adhere to these banking regulations. Then there's the type of transaction itself. Internal Uphold transfers, moving assets between your own Uphold wallets, are usually the fastest. They can often clear within minutes. But if you're sending crypto to an external wallet or transferring fiat to a bank account, you're looking at longer wait times. Uphold's verification processes also play a role. For security reasons, Uphold may hold transactions for review, especially if they involve large amounts or trigger red flags. This is to protect both you and the platform from fraud. So, what are we looking at in terms of time frames? Internal Uphold transfers? Minutes, sometimes even seconds. Crypto withdrawals to external wallets? Anywhere from a few minutes to several hours, or even days, depending on the network. Fiat withdrawals to bank accounts? Typically 1 to 3 business days, but international transfers can take longer. Now, what can you do to speed things up? Unfortunately, not a whole lot, especially with network congestion. But here are a few tips. Check the network. If you're dealing with crypto, check the network status. Are there any known congestion issues? Verify transaction details. Double-check the recipient's address or bank details to ensure they're correct. Errors can lead to significant delays. Contact Uphold support. If you've been waiting for an unusually long time, reach out to Uphold's support team. They can provide updates and investigate any potential issues. Be patient. Sometimes, the best thing you can do is wait. Crypto transactions, in particular, can take time, especially during peak periods. And remember, Uphold, like any financial platform, is subject to compliance and security measures. These measures are designed to protect your funds and ensure the integrity of the system. Ultimately, the best approach is to plan ahead. If you know you'll need funds by a certain date, initiate the transaction well in advance to account for potential delays. Don't leave it to the last minute. So, there's no single answer to how long does an Uphold pending transaction take. It's a complex equation with multiple variables. Be patient, check the network, verify your details, and if all else fails, reach out to Uphold support. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.